Take a ride in the 2016 INFINITI Q70. The luxurious INFINITI Q70 offers plush interior accommodations and a spacious interior cabin. Passengers of the Q70 will feel like they're riding first class all the way. Enhanced agility and safety protection features fill this luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, mirror memory, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.